Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I really wanted to talk about how I have been treating my damaged hair. It's not really damaged anymore. It's actually really healthy. Although at WeFest it kind of got a bit damaged from my curling iron. It's fine though. I got it back to normal. So yeah. One of you guys said on my Instagram that you really wanted me to talk about how I treat my hair and just all the products I use. So let's dive right in. Okay, so first, I guess I'm going to talk about what I do in the shower. I use just the simple Herbal Essences Bio Renew shampoo and conditioner. So I use the shampoo first, and I do let the conditioner then sit in my hair for roughly 2 to 3 minutes. I just put it all in my hair and I kind of wrap it up. That way it's all just sitting there. And then after that, I do wash it out, and I recently just bought a deep conditioner, and I actually have seen a lot of improvement since I've been using it. It is the It's a 10 Miracle Deep Conditioner plus Keratin. I know they have like a spray bottle with keratin oil that I've also used before, but this is a deep conditioner. I absolutely love this. It smells amazing. The only thing I wish, it's 5 fluid ounces. I wish it was like a big thing and like a big pump bottle, and who knows, maybe they do have those, but I definitely have been using this every day because it has helped so much. So I do want more eventually. But then I just wash it out. I will probably then let that sit in my hair for roughly 3, maybe 5 minutes, but it's probably 3 minutes after I do the rest of my shower routine. And that is actually all I do in the shower. I don't have a lot of hair products that I use in the shower just because I try to cut my shower time down because this girl can take long showers. I do have 4 products that I use out of the shower that I put on my wet hair. So the first 3 are the ones that my hairdresser actually recommended for me and has used on my hair since I've went to her, and I love it. Each product just like, it's amazing. It all works really well together. So this is the Bedhead TG After Party. It is a smoothing cream for silky, shiny, healthy looking hair. So this basically just makes my hair have that like shiny look and just look healthy, I guess. So I love that stuff. Next, since I do have to blow dry my hair and straighten it some days, I like to use the Loma Nourishing Oil Treatment. It replenishes, styles, and protects. So it says that, oh, here's the bottle. It says that it's rich in organic antioxidants, it smooths and protects the hair, speeds up drying time, which is awesome, and it basically just protects against hot irons and styling tools while also adding shine with natural aromatherapy. So I like that stuff just because any heat protectant that I can put in my hair I'm going to use, just because when I do use heat on my hair I can notice the decline in my healthy hair. Next, my hairdresser does use Olaplex on my hair. I do get the take-home bottle, the number 3. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. I love this stuff. As most of you know, I did bleach my hair. I used to be black, like the blackest I could go with my hair. And now I'm this really pretty, just like blonde. My roots are going through, so ignore those. But yeah, I had to bleach my hair in order to get where I want it to be quicker, and I know every hairdresser is going to tell me you shouldn't have done that. I get that, but I talked my hairdresser into bleaching it, and she did an amazing job. And so yeah, we've been working on getting it to the blonde I want, and it's there and it's great. But this Olaplex has been helping make sure my hair is healthy again and that it's not damaging my hair. This last product I'm going to talk about, it is by Drybar, is the Prep Rally Prime and Prep Detangler. Here's the bottle. I love the bottle. It's so cute. It's like pink. It's adorable. I just recently got this maybe a week ago. I love it, but I haven't really like noticed, I guess, a difference yet. I don't know. Like, I was gonna get the It's a 10 Keratin Plus spray. I've loved that stuff. I used to use it in high school all the time, so I was gonna get a bottle of it just to add keratin to my hair. But a girl at Ulta recommended this Drybar Prep Rally. I have been loving it just because of everything she said it does. Like, it does so much for your hair. It detangles, it has biotin, vitamin B and C, and UV blockers in it. It protects from any damage that your hair may have or may get from heat and styling tools. And like, since it has biotin and all those like vitamins in it, it helps your hair grow. And that's where she got me. As soon as she said, oh, it'll help your hair grow as well, I'm like, ring it up, girl. I want it, because anything to get my hair to grow faster, I'ma do. But so I put those first 3 products in my hair. I just squirt all of those in my hand, rub it together, and I just kind of put it in my hair like that. And then I do spray this in my hair before I do that, and then after I do that. So I get like double the amount. And that's basically it. Along with all those products that I use on my hair, I try to only blow dry my hair and straighten my hair if I have to. Most of the time I do shower at night, and then I just use dry shampoo in the morning, although lately I've been doing Orange Theory, which by the way I've been loving. I've been doing that every morning, so then I have to shower after I work out. And I'm not one of those people that can not wash my hair in the shower. Like, I sweat a lot. I literally sweat like a pig. So my hair's wet after a workout, so I have to wash my hair and get it wet. And so doing all these products kind of help that routine, since I do wash my hair often. And then usually, yeah, I will try to let it air dry as much as I can instead of use a blow dryer, and then just straighten it if I have work or something. But most of the time I'm able just to blow dry it and it's straight enough. So as you can see, I wanted to blow dry my hair today, just blow dry it so you can kind of see my natural hair. This is it just blow dried, and if I were to comb it through, I would be able to not straighten it. Like, it's pretty straight. But if I let it air dry, it would definitely be wavy in some parts, like kind of like this, and you know. But if I blow dry it, usually it's really good for me. But yeah, so those are kind of the tricks that I do for my hair. I know this is a short video, but I really wanted to share these 2 new products with you guys that I have been loving. I know I did a hair care kind of video a while back with these same 3 first products I showed you, the Bedhead, the Loma oil, and the Olaplex, but these 2 new products, I've actually noticed a major difference since I've been using them together. I feel like my hair does look way healthier, and it's looking how it used to look before I bleached it, which is saying a lot. I used to have really healthy hair before I bleached it, and I kind of lost that after. But no, like, even my ends, they're looking a bit better. After WeFest, they were fried. I don't know what I did. I must have just used too much heat on it because I got ready every morning. You know, I didn't have time to air dry my hair, and so that's my fault. But yeah, that is kind of how I just keep my hair healthy. And if you guys have any other tips and tricks you want to share with me, please do. I want to try anything that's going to make my hair grow. So hit a girl up. And if you guys have any other questions for me, make sure you comment below. And if you guys did enjoy today's video, make sure to give us a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe. I do post every Wednesday and Sunday unless told otherwise, which I do so in my Instagram right here. And I do lots of fun polls and questions on there, so please do follow. I love communicating with you guys through that. And I will see you guys in the next video.